Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. I ran in there yesterday. I went to Walgreens to pick up prescriptions, and I had to go in the Dollar Tree. I just felt compelled. And plus, I'd been watching some Dollar Tree haul videos, so that kind of puts you in a state of mind of wanting to go to the Dollar Tree, of course. So, first up, it's not like a gigantic haul. Connor got some of those sticky ninja wall crawlers. I also picked up 3 things of toilet paper and 2 things of melatonin for my nanny. So this is the stuff that I grabbed for myself. New candles. Okay, so that's where we're gonna start because the other half is gonna be makeup. They had some new of these little coffee candles, is what I like to refer to them as. They're from Old Williamsburg Candle Company, and this is the Colombian Code Brew Scented Candle. These are so adorable, would make perfect gifts. This one smells so good, and it's a gray colored wax. This one is going to be strong. This one is going to be strong. These are some random candle finds for me. They had a ton of new ones to choose from, but these are the ones that I really like the scent of, or I like the jars. This one says it's a Soy Blend Candle, and it's Joy. Now this one is in a little jar, a little glass jar with a little lid. This one smells really good as well, and I think it would be perfect for gift giving as well. I don't know how many other ones they had in that one because I only found Joy. These candles here, these are in a black jar, and this is Fog Cloud 3-ounce candles, soy candles, and once again, perfect for gift giving, and they just look nicer than $1. And this says it's number 1. This one smells, these all smell so good. And then I got River Rock, and it's number 3. I didn't see a number 2 anywhere, or if there's more than 3, but I got 1 and 3. Last and final candle I grabbed is this cute one that's in a marble kind of glass container. Now it is just a paper, but I'm using this for decoration purposes. It's called Warm Flannel 3-ounce candle. I think this will be a good gift idea. Once again, sorry, but they're so adorable. But this one doesn't really have much of a scent. Like, it does a little bit, but it's not very strong. But I got it just to decorate with, so that doesn't bother me. I'm going to turn it around like this. Yes. With the label facing behind towards the shelf. So, I love this one. I was so happy with this one. Next up, they had a lot of new SINFUL colors items there. Lip glosses, lipsticks, and eyeshadows. I wanted to find the mascaras. Unfortunately, I did not get a chance to find the mascara. Maybe they had it and it was gone, or maybe they'll put it out later. Not sure. Either way, I'm not a fan of lip gloss, so I left those behind. I don't really know anything about the lipsticks, and I have tons of lipsticks, so I left those behind. Now, I do have tons of eyeshadows, but eyeshadows are literally one of my weaknesses when it comes to the makeup game. So, I got the eyeshadows. Now, I got 5 packs of these. There's 2 in each pack, and there was actually 6 combinations I could have got. The only one I left behind is the blue one, because it was paired with black, and I already had black, and the shade that I got the black paired with is the shade I wanted over the blue one. So I left the blue one. That's the only one I left. I got all the other shades though, and I worked around until I was able to get all the packages with 2 different shades and all the shades that I wanted. Therefore, leaving the one blue one behind. Okay, so here's a picture of what they look like in their packaging. Now, first up, we have this 2-pack here, and it has like a highlighter shade in there, and it has a duochrome white shade, which has got the blue undertone. This one's called Proud. That's the highlighter shade. The blue duochrome is called Flaunt. Next up, we have this little pair here. This is a burgundy shade. These are chromes too, and this is gold. Chrome metallic shades, these two. This one is called Strut, and the gold one is called Lusty. Okay, next up we have this pairing. There's like a red coral here and this beautiful shimmery pink. Yes, so this one is called Volatile, and this one is Caught My Eye. Next up we have this pairing. So this is a pink purple kind of shade with a blue shift, so a duochrome. Very beautiful, very sparkly purple. Oh my god, this one is so stunning. This one is called Wicked, and this one's called Starry Eyed. And just a quick see, it has like red and gold orangey looking shimmers in there. Oh, it's so pretty. Last pairing I got were these two here. I got this set that had this beautiful green in there because I'm way more sucker for green than I am blue. And this one's called Evil Eye, and this one's called Erotic Black. So excited to try these out. Got 10 single eyeshadows for $5. You can't beat that. And on top of that, these are good quality eyeshadows. Swatching these, they are so nice and creamy. They're actually really pigmented. I mean, for 50 cents each, they're really pigmented. And the metallics, the chrome-like shades, are so metallic. And they catch the eye in the sunlight. They are so beautiful. And the highlighting shades, all of it, and you get and I found an outer corner color in the black. So highly recommend trying out these SINFUL Colors eyeshadows. They're called Shade Boss. Yes, if you can find them, I definitely pick them up. Two new random LA Colors finds. They had some new lip glosses. Not a fan of lip glosses, left those behind. They had new face primers and things like that. No, I have some really tried and true products that I'm into right now, so I don't want to try any of that stuff. But they had some liquid eyeshadows. Now, they had a silver, a gold, a pink, and a purple. Now, they had them all, but I knew I wouldn't use the pink and purple one very much. But I love doing halo eyes, so I knew I would use the silver and the gold. So I got Smokin'. And I will say, I'll probably do a full-on review and tutorial using these. They dry down, and they're really pigmented. That's all I'm going to say right now. And the gold one is called Cheers. Very beautiful, so sparkly, and they just shine away in the sunlight. That's the haul. I told you it would be short. I tried to include pictures and swatches and all that yummy goodness in this video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll stay tuned for more reviews and tutorials and DollarTree videos. And if you check out the description box below, there is a ton of DollarTree links, by the way. Keep you busy all spring long. And If you don't want to miss any other upcoming content, don't forget to like the video, ring the bell, and subscribe if you haven't done that already. So, stay tuned for more videos, and thank you always for watching.